Okay, so class 10 science chapter 6 I think is control and coordination. Now we will we'll learn this chapter, we'll study this, we'll understand this chapter. First, we'll know what is control and coordination in a brief introduction, okay, and then we will learn about the nervous system because control and coordination happens in the nervous system. The next session we will understand that control and coordination, in fact only coordination, goes on in plants also. They also have a system by which activity is coordinated in plants. And finally, the last session will be control and coordination. Uh, we'll have animal hormones, the types of juices that are secreted which helps in controlling our body parts, especially the movement. Okay, so let's talk about introduction. Now suppose, let us take an example that we touch something which is very hot. Okay, so suddenly we lift our hand from it, or there could be other actions like, let's say, a funny action, that if a dog starts barking at you, or you're going in a scooter and start chasing you, you go faster, you run away. You don't sit there and start dancing in front of the dog. So there is something which goes on and which tells us to start running. If you don't run, of course, there are 14 injections that are waiting for you. But normally it doesn't happen. You normally run. So this, the hot thing, or the dog chasing, or something that is, you touch something that is sharp, that is called a stimulus. Something that makes you do something else. Okay, a stimulus. Uh, See, if you are feeling sleepy and you have an exam tomorrow, or you have an exam the next day, what you do is you have some coffee. Okay, or you walk outside for a little while and refresh yourself. That is a stimulus. So there are different types of stimuluses. When there is a lot of inflation going on and there is a drop in production of industries, and economy is slowing down in our country, the country, the government gives a stimulus. It gives a certain package of crores of rupees to the industries to start manufacturing. So that is a stimulus. But that is to do with government. But here we'll be talking about the living things like plants and animals. So we know that for every action there is a reaction. The action is a stimulus and the reaction is control and coordination. There is a standard definition uh, which we can say the working of various body parts for appropriate reaction to a stimulus is called control and coordination. Okay, so when we have a stimulus, that is an action, the reaction is done by, or the reaction is controlled by brain, and these impulses, the stimulus is then transmitted to the brain, and the brain sends signals back. This is through a system called the nervous system. Okay, the signals are transmitted by very small parts called neurons. The neurons have dendrites, and then it goes to the cell, and then the axon, and then to the spinal cord. The spinal cord is the central pipe. It goes into the spinal cord, and the spinal cord then sends these signals to the brain. The spinal cord is a grill, is a safety cord, which has all the nerves, and those are so small that if they are punctured, or if they are damaged, then it's very difficult to control that. Our veins are okay. Veins can be controlled. They are thicker, but the nerves are very small and very tiny. So it goes via the spinal cord and then to our brain. The brain, there is a lot of thinking in the brain, and the brain decides what to do, and it sends back the signals to the place where our hand has touched a hot thing, and it tells the muscle there to lift your hand. But there is another action, which is reflex action, because if the signal goes to the brain via cell and axon, via the spinal cord, and then there is thinking, and then it comes back via the same process, it takes a lot of time. By that time, maybe our hand may get burnt. So there is another action which is called reflex action. These neurons, they touch the muscle directly. So the muscle instantly gives a direction to remove the hand. It does not go to the brain. So this is called a reflex action. And this whole thing has two systems. One is the central nervous system, which has the brain and the spinal cord. And when you have the muscles and other smaller parts around, that with that it will be called a peripheral nervous system. So that is CNS and PNS. So that is nervous system. In the next video, we'll talk about coordination in plants.